Hey Saj, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Shells Running. Also, these are for twin flame soulmates connections for Feb 2021. Okay, those timeless readings, but I am trying to pick up your highest vibes and I was about to shuffle this kind of like this. I did it and you have the energy as well. But the message coming is like, there is this orange color that I can see, kind of like orange flag. Okay, it's like in triangle shape, but it's placed on some island. Okay, like part of like where it touches the seashore basically. Okay, how I can explain you, it is something connected with two energies coming together. There's also welcoming. I can also pick that vibe of like someone traveling. So for some cases maybe someone is about to reach you, or there's welcoming part, that's for sure. Sagittarius. Okay, and I was about to do this shuffle and everything, and you have the cut energy like here, the garden and the gate. So I feel like this possible is connected with some island here for Sagittarians, or there is also caring connections. Okay, so I feel like this is about one particular energy here, and there is a caring connections. So how it is going for you in the month of Feb. Okay, let's see. I'm not going to take those, but there is something connected with the contract. And this is about the garden, and the gate is something that you're going to open your heart chakra, open your life, okay, to be with someone in this lifetime. Okay, this situation is going for you guys. This is definitely contract. This is bond. This is about possible engagement, possible, wedding, possible that kind of communication, and that's why person is coming around the corner. Okay, so let's see, maybe you are doing it, goes vice versa, but I'm going to shuffle and I'm going to take out one card for Sagittarius for February, because we really want to see what is going on for you. Oh wow. Okay, so welcoming energy. Someone is coming around. There is, when I'm talking about orange color, orange flag that's placed, this is warm, this is about dedication. I do get that. There might be some fire sign possible, but I do feel this is your vibe, Sag, because you are a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I also see water, so Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean might be, but there's also earth. Okay, so I'm not going to say of course air, but there might be, but I'm getting all these three elements very, very major in your surroundings. So maybe falling in your chart or their chart, however, but there is this water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and I do feel this fire is about your energy, your vibe, and there is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. But I feel like that the water is reaching to the shore, which is the shore, and they're all collaborating, which is about welcome, which is about warm welcome. And I do feel that this is kind of energy when yin and yang, energies collaborate. Okay, so you have this card which flipped out is door to romance. Romance, yeah. Door to romance. You see it, so gorgeous. Okay, and there's there's this cage, and then there is heart, and then there is key. Okay, I feel like it's connected with a very, very soulful connection consisting with 3 number. Okay, just look at it. It's beautiful, and here you go, the door is opening for you. So I feel you're going to welcome someone in your life, or someone is going to welcome you in their life, or however it goes. Bottom energy here is a man holding a queen. Amazing energy. Okay, so this does say practical things, someone who is deciding, decisions will be done, and further you proceed with your relationship here. This may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, someone who is stabilizing. There is an island, I see. There is like countryside possible, or possible there is some island wherein there is like seashore, situation, and then there is a big field open. That's how I can explain you. But there is this door that is opening for you, definitely. Okay, then I was shuffling this deck, Rider-Waite. Wow, and I stopped, and you have Two of Cups energy, which is reunion possible. Some of you are coming together again, or possibly you are coming together, which is a union. You're meeting, you're going to be with your soulmate here. And there is this offer, Ace of Pentacles, guys, which is amazing, because this offer is going to make whole lot sense in your life, Sagittarians. So this is something that you cannot ignore, because this card is like laid like this. offering will be worth. Okay, and then you have third last card as Six of Swords energy. If this is about mending, then again someone was closing their heart chakra or keeping their things to themselves, and then again there is something that might open you up, or they might they're trying something to come to you. Okay, however it goes for you, because there is something which is connected with warmth. You may check by yourself orange color meaning, okay, if you really want, because I feel it's kind of dedication. I feel it is something that doesn't give you any kind of scorch. It's orange. It's beautiful orange color. Okay, so Six of Swords, summer is coming around. Yes, I do feel it's going to be beautiful time, and this is going to be laying the foundation for you people, whether it is a reunion, whether it is union of some sort. It is something, it's not close. So if it is connected with past issues, reunion, and it is not close, and I don't see any negativity here. I don't see that someone doesn't want it, rather they're close, of course, but someone is going to come with a solution, basically opening your heart. And it's about moving with that healing process. People are healing, a lot, and it's becoming very difficult because defenses are up. On and off situation might be going on between you both. I feel that. Yeah, Seven of Wands, and then you have Six of Cups energy. I think they want me to take out cards from the bottom itself, and then we're going to shuffle. But there is Seven of Wands energy. Someone just kept that distance, pushed things away, but you have door to romance. You have this energy of love. Okay, and then you have Six of Cups, resurgence, call. So going in alignment, there is someone who is reaching out to you. You're reaching out to someone for this reunion, and this is going to be someone who is making their essence or concept very much ready to let the person understand that I want to enter, I am here, I'm going to fight. Okay, and there's going to be either transition in your life, and to me, if this card is laying here, transition in your relationship. Okay, there may be a Scorpio, but apart from that, they are very much serious. Okay, they're very much serious, and some of you won't be able to deny this. Okay, let's see, let's shuffle. If you are very important for them, or they are very important to you. So with the transition, with the nego, with the for mending, and this is having like changes that you people want to hold on to. Okay, and I'm not talking about things that went abusive, violence was there. I never talk about that thing. If that happened, of course you made decision and you moved on. For some cases, this is about love from this lifetime or any lifetime, evolution kind of energy. But now when you are moving on, or you moved on with your experience in that cold zone for some time of solitude, and now it's like year passed by, and now there is something happening in your life that is going to bring you love. Even if there is someone, if it is not someone from past, it is someone who is, this person is someone who is going to stand by you. They're very serious, sincere, and they're going to fight. Okay, and when they're going to fight, they're going to release you from all that torment if it was something. And there is going to be like, I'm ready for transition, I'm ready for change. So Sagittarians, you're going to go for that. There is someone, you're very important, the Empress. Okay, yeah, they really want to balance things out if it is connected with past time. Oh my god, what's happening? Planetary actions. Okay, past situations. Let's see. Communication coming through, clarifications coming through, decisions coming through. Let's see let's peep in your more future here. This is going to be a seventh card. You have Six of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups energy. Someone who is going to make a move here. Knight of Pentacles could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. And this is, I feel, your vibe. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius though, but I feel this is your vibe. There's going to be pickup in your life in the coming time. Okay? There may be this approach of making things right, and this is about Three of Pentacles. Okay, it's about someone who does want to manifest things with you if they are coming from past. Even if it is something new, it's going to be new collaboration. Okay, but I really want still still in the future. I'm having hiccups, don't mind that. I do have sometimes. Sagittarius, OMG, it's so clear for you guys. There's going to be some karmic action from your side or from their side. And however, this may connect with your 1111. This is connected with your Four of Wands energy. Stability, concepts clear, okay? You're going to have clear concepts in the coming time. Yeah, Ace of Wands is my karma card. There's going to be a beautiful dedication that I see in your coming time. And your life is not going to be same anymore. Kind of energy when it is connected with emotions, relationships, it's going to make sense. Even work area, it's going to be pick up for you guys, okay? So possible new job, new place. This energy is also saying that this may be move in with someone you love. Okay, if it is going to happen, you might be living in or you're going to live in with this person. This is also wedding. This is also, for some cases, not for everyone, but assurance of something, development in this, okay? Because there's door to romance, and this is definitely nothing negative. This is nothing. Man holding a coin. There's someone who is going to stabilize things with you. If you're the man listening, specific, you're going to hold everything together, bring things together. If this is, regardless of male, female, okay, then this is a situation, a storyline that goes same way, okay? Let's see in romance for you guys. There's something that you're looking forward to in a way like this. This is actually happening for me after the ending. Yes, it is happening. Some of you will, you're finding love again. And that's not problematic. If it is happening after your solitude, if it is happening after you're overcoming or you overcame a lot of things and things are happening in your life and you're like, how can someone open my heart again? If that is happening, then you are in the phase of forgiving and learning. Some of you with the past energy, some of you with the past energy, removing and learning and then moving. Okay, it's time. So it's about releasing, it's about healing. We all need healing. We all are in the process, some or the other day, some or the other time. Okay, you have this romantic feelings and new love. OMG, such a assurance here. You're going to let go of control issues. There's this card at the bottom which has allowed the situation to unfold naturally, and in this time frame you're going to welcome someone. I told you that for Sagittarius this is going to happen. New love is here. Romantic feelings, sorry, your feelings are real and worth exploring. And it's going to be, there is this energy who's going to be steady, even if not fast, which is good. They're going to be steady and constant, sticking around or by your side, kind of. They're moving with you. You may find them at work or you may find them anywhere, but this kind of energy is where they're going to stick around. This is a new love sensation, kind of. Sometimes it is about totally new love. Sometimes it is about finding love in the old on a whole new level. It goes that way. But for many of you, to be specific, it's new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So you need to let go of control issues in something. Let's see in your future. For Sagittarius. Souls and spirits, please give us the message. Souls and spirits. Worth waiting for. Now, 2 messages in a row. You have separation card at the bottom. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So this may happen. This may have happened. Sorry for that. My degrees, okay? But you kind of were freeing yourself from the scenario and separation was happening. You were in solitude. So possible this is happening, like someone is having those romantic feelings for you and they want to pick up energy with you. If it is about 2 of Cups and 6 of Cups, that is actually assuring all that stuff. But calling, worth waiting for, divine timing is at work in your love life. So if it is new love, good to go. If it is something connected with past, then good to go. You have to decide. There might be, I'm telling you about a triangle because I talked about that flag, which was triangle. So if it is about some choice making, then also it is connected with 3 of Pentacles here. You have all the right to choose where you want to settle. Obviously, I'm just a messenger, but this is definitely the worth card that you got. This is from Energy Oracle cards. These one. Okay, they're beautiful. Sometimes you need the booklet to renew your own energy or read out more if you really want. But this is Door to Romance, number 33. If you have this book, If you want to read out, then you can. But that's what is coming to you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.